What's going on, Brooklyn and beyond? Brooklyn Jimmy, BrooklynJimmy.com, and I just wanted to put a side by side with the Gopro Hero 12 flag and the DJI Action 4. These are last year's generations. It's a little bit of a cloudy day today. All the sound you're gonna hear is from the DJI Action 4 because I have the Boya Mini microphone in there. So yeah, it's a little bit of wind. I'm holding the two cameras, handheld, microphone. Oh, sorry, camera's in my hand, handheld, and just walking. The GoPro is at 5.3K. The Action is at 4K. The horizontal leveling or horizontal balancing on the Action 4, and GoPro is using the linear plus, so I can turn it 360 degrees and should keep it level. The Action, turn it 45 degrees before it turns. All right, so I just want to get a quick street shot walking with the camera's handheld. So, all right, handheld, still handheld. We all have lines. By the way, I'm gonna get some lunch. You see my Jamaican trucks right there. But we missed the light. That's where we're going. House of stabilization. It's a cloudy day. A little bit of drizzle. All right, Brooklyn Salute. I'm out. That's it. No more.